Hey guys, I know I look a little crazy. I just woke up. It is Saturday, 8 o'clock in the morning, but I wanted to show you guys something. I'm going to be redoing my restroom totally different. If you see my, what video was it? My tour house. You're going to see that it was like a beigey, peachy, creamy color. But now I'm gonna change it. But right now what we're gonna do is clean the restroom and then we are gonna change it. So let me show you guys. Alright, so this is the shower curtain I used to have. Yes, that I still haven't been able to take it off. It is hard as a bleep, but eventually I will. And then as you can see, it is clean. I do have to move that. I just haven't moved it. Yeah, as you can see, my restroom is clean. I do have to change that just because yesterday my brother told me, oh, it's too strong. So I was like, okay, let me change it. And then, like I said, you can see the cokes. I am actually having a party today. But anyways, I do have to still clean the mirror. As you can see, it is dirty. But I am going to be spray painting my, what is it called? My mirror. And then we are going to be moving these from that color to black. And then I have to stock up my toilet paper and all that. But yeah, let's get ahead and start. Curtain, I actually bought it at Ross, and then I got these at Walmart for $1, which I kind of regret, but there's nothing I could do now. I'm gonna put these on, and this is actually how it doesn't have a picture, but pretty much this is what it looks like. So can't wait to put this one on. And like I said in I want to say it was a tour house where I said like, oh, I wanted it black and white, but I just felt like it was too dark. I guess it was just a curtain that I had got that was too dark. So when I went to Ross and I found that one, I was like, you know what? I need my restroom complete. So we went with that one. Oh, and then I have my little bathroom holder, you know, because you got to work with what you got. And my bathroom is not as big. So yeah, now let's start putting this on. Like hair products, which that's why I have them all the way up here, is because these are things that I don't use on a daily basis. But these baskets, I actually got them at the Dollar Tree because I was gonna buy like different kind, but I'm like, you know what am I gonna waste so much money in? Oh, sorry, but why am I gonna waste so much money when I know in a couple of months I'm gonna try to change my restroom again? So that's why it is good to go buy them at the Dollar Tree, just because if you are like me, that is very undecided person, then go there. And I really pretty much don't have nothing here anymore. Only the last soap that I have for my bath and body, which that means that I have to go stock up. And then on the second one, I have toilet paper. And then I have where I have the like body soaps and the ear swabs. Oh, that doesn't belong there. That goes here. I actually have to go and get more toilet paper because I like to have this full up because here people like to shit a lot. But anyways, so yeah. And then as you can see, I have soap here. This one actually my sister bought it for me from a trip, so we're not going to be using that soap. And I actually have to go back to the Dollar Tree because the Dollar Tree that I went to didn't have the black one like this, which this is what I want, another black one. So I'm hoping I have to go later on today. So this one for right now, I'm gonna have to leave it here, which it's gonna bother the shit out of me. But it's alright. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. We'll get the black one as soon as I am able to. Let me push this button here. But yeah, and then this is the last little shelf. I actually have a plant that I bought at Ross for, still got the price, $6.99. And then this little lamp that my mom gave me for, I mean not the lamp, a candle that she gave me for what was it, I want to say it was Valentine's. And then this one is another one, and this one is actually something that this basket has everything we need. So it has like pads, it has like the little flossers, it has razors, more soap, our deodorant, and our brushes and stuff that we use on a daily, so it's just easier to grab. And then obviously our lotion, our body lotion. But yeah, this is pretty much how our shelves look. So now we are gonna go and be very happy. Look at how cute, and it fits like perfect on the bottom. It's not too, oh shit, it's perfect. It's not too long or not too short. Like it's just perfect where it has to go. If anything, I'm gonna probably pick up the shower curtain just a little bit, but oh my god, it's gonna look cute. Look at that. And then look at how this is looking. Like I said, I just have to go and change that because that's gonna bother the shit out of me. But other than that, look at how cute. Like I said, I have to wash that, and then I'm gonna put that away. And yes, and then I have the little thing that goes there and everything. All right, let me finish up because if not, a bitch is never gonna finish, and I have a party later on. I feel like I can't really lower it just because I do have this right there. I would have put it here, but I do put my cat litter here in the restroom. So just because, you know, it is a restroom, so if it stinks, it is a restroom. There's nothing we could do. And I still have to clean that dirtiness right there. But pretty much we are almost done. Now I'm just gonna go buy spray paint so I can spray paint that, because that's gonna bother me, which actually doesn't look too bad because this actually has gray with black and white. So yeah, and that's gonna bother me because I know it's not the color I want. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after I am done. A black trash can for the restroom. You know, I like flushing on my shit, but sometimes you got guests that don't like to flush stuff, so you know, it's okay. I got you. We got a black toilet paper, no, trash can. And then obviously I have, you know, when you take shits, you know, we don't want it to stink too bad. Obviously it is a restroom, so it's gonna stink, but you know, we got you. We got you. We're gonna put that right there for whoever comes and wants to take a shit. I got white bees, you know, because you always gotta have white bees. And yeah, now let me just, alright guys, so as you guys can see, we're like 90% done with the bathroom. I still have to sweep and mop, and then I do have to put that where it belongs, the bath rug. But yeah, and comment down below if you guys think I should just leave it gray or should I just go ahead and spray paint it black. I don't know what to do, but let me know down below, and then I'll show you guys once I am completely done. And if you guys do wonder where I bought that, I actually bought it off of Walmart, but it was like from a kind of like, Walmart was like the secondary company. I got it from another company which sold, they send it to Walmart, and then Walmart sent it to me. It comes with like a toothpaste thing, but I didn't end up putting that just because, I don't know, I just didn't put it. I might put it on, I don't know. But yeah, that's very handy, like if you don't have no space in your sink to put toothbrushes or anything. That came out hands down best $6 I ever spent. But yeah, and I already cleaned the mirror. As you can see, it's clean. Está limpio. But yeah, I am now finally complete with my restroom. And then I don't know if I let you guys know, but I did go back to Dollar Tree and they did not have one that was like that flat. I don't want a little basket like that. I want a basket like that. So they didn't have it. So for now, I guess I'm gonna have to like leave that one there. But yeah, pretty much we're almost done. Hey guys, so as you guys can see, we are done with the transformation of my bathroom. I'm actually very happy with the way it looks. Like I said, comment down below if you think I should spray paint it black or just leave it alone, the mirror. But other than that, I am so happy with the way my restroom came out. Like, this is how I wanted it the first time around, but I had to kind of settle for what I was able to find. But I'm so happy we found this shower curtain, because that's what I was kind of looking for, something just black and white but it wasn't too dark. But other than that, I am so proud. I'm proud of myself, first of all, and excuse the way I look. I have no makeup, no nothing, but I already finished taking a shower, as you can see. But yeah, with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos, and I hope I see you guys very soon. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to like and comment, and I'll see you guys next time.